In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your last name in the top right corner in Google Docs. This simple formatting tip keeps your work looking polished and consistent, which is especially helpful for class assignments and professional documents. First, open the Google Docs file where you want your last name to appear on every page. Make sure you're in editing mode so your changes apply immediately. Now let's open the header. Move your cursor to the very top of the page, right along the upper margin, and double click. You should see a faint boundary line appear and the header area become active. That space is the header, and anything you place there will automatically repeat across all pages in your document. Click inside that header area and type your last name exactly the way you want it to display. Take a moment to check spelling and capitalization. Because the header repeats, this single entry will show up on every page without you having to copy and paste. Next, align your last name to the right so it sits neatly in the top right corner. Highlight your last name, go to the toolbar at the top and click the Align Right icon, which looks like stacked lines pushed to the right side. Your text should jump to the right edge of the header. Avoid using spaces or the tab key to push it over. The alignment tool keeps it properly positioned, even if your margins or zoom change. If the placement looks a little off, it's usually just the zoom level, so a quick scroll or slight zoom adjustment can make it look correct on screen. When you're happy with how it looks, exit the header and return to your main document. Double-click anywhere outside the header area, like in the body of your text, and you'll be back to normal editing. The header stays in place quietly in the background. To confirm everything worked, scroll through your document and you'll see your last name consistently appearing in the top right on each page. That's exactly what we want. Set it once and let Google Docs handle the rest. A quick note, you might see options below the header like different first page or different odd and even pages. For this tutorial, you don't need to change any of those. And if you're following a style guide that also requires page numbers, that would be added separately. For now, you've placed just your last name, and that's it. Your last name now appears in the top right corner of every page. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.